Yeah, welcome students. Today is our topic is the selection of engineering college after completion of the plus 2 level. The selection of engineering college is a very important because that determines your future. What kind of the laboratories are there? What kind of the facilities are there in the given engineering college? And the selection of the group is also decides your entire life. That's what a small trial to know the very remote student also. That is, today our discussion is top 16 engineering colleges in Telangana state. Here, on what basis we are discussing about the top 16 engineering colleges is that here all the engineering colleges comes under Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD. In the year 2015, a committee that is framed by the NHRC, that is National Institutional Ranking Framework, by considering so many parameters. If you are continue watching till end of this video, what kind of the parameters are presented and what is the basis for the classification of these and providing ranks for the engineering institution, that we'll discuss after this topic. Here, National Institutional Ranking Framework, by considering majorly 5 topics. What are those 5 topics? We'll see at the end. Here, and every year from this, since 2015, they are providing a ranks for all the engineering colleges, all the medical colleges, all the agriculture colleges, all the universities, all the deemed universities. For all educational institution, the National Institutional Ranking Framework producing certain ranking. Now today's our discussion is based on the NIRF ranking that is given in the year 2019. Here is 2019, the serial number 1 college as far as the Telangana state is concerned, that's the 8th rank or the 8th position in the NIRF engineering stream, IIT Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad, which is established in the year 2008. It is among the second generation Indian Institute of Technologies are established. Under that, in the year 2008, the IIT Hyderabad is established. It is producing so many doctorates and so many research and developments are undergoing in IIT Hyderabad. A campus is well located very near from the Hyderabad. It is at Kandi village towards the Sangareddy. That is a student and faculty ratio, that also will discuss under the parameter of NIRF. And the second serial number under the Telangana state best engineering colleges according to the NIRF 2019 ranking, 26th is the ranking, NIT Warangal. National Institute of Technology Warangal, which is established very long back in the year 1959. 1959, at that time it is labeled as a regional engineering college, REC. Here most of the RECs are present. Out of all the RECs, now it is turned into the National Institute of Technology. This is also one of the premier institution as like as Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad. And the 39 is a IIIT Hyderabad. Here Indian Institutes of Information Technology Hyderabad, which is established in the 1998, which is located at Gachibowli, Hyderabad, and it is a NPPP mod is there, not for profit and public partnership, NPP mod, that the admissions will take place, which is also one of the premier institution for our state. Next one, a 45th rank which is given by the NIRF to the JNTU, Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University Hyderabad, which is established in 1972. Under this JNTUH also so many engineering colleges are functioning, and one most one another most valuable university that we call as a Osmania University, that the 83 rank is given by the NIRF, University College of Engineering, Osmania University, which is very long back, 1929. This the university is established under the premier institution for the College of Engineering is a University College of Engineering, that is 83 rank. Here up to all the government organizations are there: IITH, NITW, IIITH, JNTU, University College of Engineering, Osmania University. Next one, under the private colleges is a 100th NIRF ranking is given for CBIT, Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology, which is located at Gandipet, Hyderabad, and which is established under a private sector, which is also premier institution, which is established in the year 1979. Next one, NIRF ranking 109, VNR Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Technology, which is established in the year 1995. As like as the CBIT, the VNR VJIT is also autonomous institution. Next one, 132, that is NIRF 132 ranking is goes to the CVR College of Engineering, which is established in the year 1999, which is also autonomous body, which is located at near Ibrahimpatnam. And serial number 9, NIRF ranking is a India Aeronautical Institute of Engineering, that is located at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, which is established in the year 2000, which is also very few branches are presented as far as the engineering is concerned, but which is also one of the best. And under the NIRF is a all India engineering colleges. If the ranking is provided, the best is a 139, which is goes to the that institution that we call Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Next one, which the 147th rank is given for BVRIT for women, which is established in the year 2012, which is presented or located at Bachupalli, Hyderabad, and the Institute of Aeronautical Engineering is presented at Dundigal, whereas near the Shamshabad International Airport, the NIRF rank provided is a 152, that the college is called as a Vardhaman Institute of Engineering and Technology, established in the year 1999, where NIRF 168 rank is given for Padma Shri B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, which is presented and which is at autonomous, established in the year 1997, and which is located at near Narsapur, Sangareddy. And Gatkesar NIRF ranking is 169 is given for Anurag Group of Engineering Institutions or Anurag Group of Colleges, where the 170 rank by NIRF is given for Vasavi College of Engineering, which is also autonomous body. Previously it is associated with Osmania University, which is also established very long back in the year 1981. And 179 is given for the Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Technology, which is also autonomous body, established in the year 1997. And NIRF ranking is given 180 to the Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Sciences, established in the year 1980. Based on the different parameters that the NIRF National Institutional Ranking Framework, especially they considered 5 parameters. Making use of those 5 parameters, they are provided all India ranks for all the engineering colleges. As we discussed earlier, the top 16 engineering colleges in the state of Telangana, the rankings are given by NIRF, National Institutional Ranking Framework, which is a constituted body from Ministry of Human Resource and Development in the year 2015. The working function of this NIRF whatever the colleges which is there in our country, like engineering, agriculture, medical, universities, deemed universities, for all the educational institution, they are going to provide a ranking across a country. Based on what parameters? As I said earlier, the 5 parameters they considered. If based on this, the parent as well as the student is need to take care of the selection of their graduation study. Here, why that much is important, the selection of the college in the graduation level? Because the student is turning into the industry. That's what kind of the colleges are the core groups, whether the college is containing a good infrastructure, good faculties, good laboratories, because the laboratories plays an important role. Because in higher education, everything is related with the laboratory. That's what all the equipped or fully equipped laboratories are there or not. In order to refer the material, does the colleges are containing the digital libraries or not? Such kind of all the information that is given by NIRF. What the 5 parameters are? TLR, teaching learning resources. Second one, RPP, research and professional practice. Third one, GO, graduation outcomes. Fourth one, outreach and inclusivity, OI. And the fifth one is a PP, peer perception. Now let's go with the first one, TLR. Teaching, learning and resources. What kind of the student strength is present? Does the students are presented are in that engineering college or not? What is the faculty and student ratio? Very important parameter. As far as Indian Institute of Technology Hyderabad IITH is concerned, the ratio is approximately 1:14. One faculty member is to 14 students are present. Yes, such kind of the FSR is following or not? Faculty with PhD or equivalent experienced candidates are there or not? Here FQE, all the faculty members like HODs and associate professors and assistant professors all are having MTech or PhDs or not? And what are the, this is also very important one, financial resources and utilization. Does in order to purchase any new equipment or in order to construct a digital lab, they want a certain maximum amount, that kind of the financial assistance is there for the college. If it has also, those are utilizing properly or not, FRU, that comes under TLR. Next one, research, professional and practice, RPP. Combined metric for the publication from that organization, how many papers are, how many journals are producing, and what is the quality of that the publication, whether it is copied or it is pirated or they are producing originally, quality of the publication, and IPR and parents relationship, how it is present, and footprints of projects and professional practice, what kind it is present, that comes under RPP. Graduation outcomes, what kind of the quality of the students are coming out, and how many PhD holders or how many MTech holders are coming every academic year. Based on that also we need to check, or we need to choose the engineering college, best engineering college. Outreach and inclusivity, what percentage of the students which is coming from other states or other countries, how many students are gets accommodated like that from other colleges or from other states, how many students. The next is a fourth parameter, outreach and inclusivity. What is the percentage of the students which are joining in that institution globally? Nothing but from other states how many students are joined, and from other countries how many students are joining. What is the goodwill of that campus? Based on that also we need to chase. And whether the percentage of the women's are there or not, what the facilities that are providing for women diversity, And economically, socially challenged students, for a poor people, how they are supporting the college. For physically challenged students, what kind of the facilities are given by the college. And perception and ranking wise, what is the position of that college. Based on that also, we need to choose the better engineering college. And lastly, peer perception, what is the academic peers and what are the employers. Based on that, we need to select a good engineering college which helps for your brighter future and goodwill of you. Thank you very much.